Whew. So it's cold out there right now. Portland's in the middle of a snowstorm, and to Portlanders, a snowstorm is just about an inch of snow. So for most of you around the country, not a big deal, but for us, the entire city shuts down. Good night to install the last piece of my JSport upgrade, right? So today, the JSport Plateau Roof Rack finally came in. So I'm going to show you what it looks like unboxing it and putting it on, and hopefully how it looks at the end if I do everything right. Let's get started. Okay, step number 1, remove weather stripping from both driver and passenger sides of the vehicle. Okay, step 2, locate the OEM bolt locations where the weather stripping was. Install 4 stainless steel standoffs to OEM locations. So these are our 4. So we have 2 and 2. So it says rear mounting brackets are large. So these. Front mounting brackets are small. So these. Okay, so we can see that there are mount points here and here, which means this guy has to get screwed in, I'm assuming, here. Okay, so got it on. I have no idea if this is the right direction or not. I guess we'll find out. Either goes like that or like that. Here's the front. Let's do the other side. Okay, starting to come to shape here a little bit. So next, crossbars. One by one, you're supposed to start at the front and work your way back. Keep in mind, the one for the rear has the cutout to go above the shark fin antenna, which I have mine resting on there right now, but there's the cutout. Okay, so we are done. Like there are a couple mounting points here and here, and I couldn't figure out which one it went on because the directions don't say, because there's this gap here with how it sits, but they definitely go on the first one, because if you were to put them on the second one, which is technically like right here, the shark fin would not fit. Bit of snow on the roof. So anyway, this is what it looks like. This is what the side profile looks like. Completely changes the look of the truck. So that's kind of cool. Now, let's go see if we can find a little snow. One last thing I wanted to note, these, I have no clue what these go to. They are not listed on the install sheet. They might have just been included in the hardware for some reason. So if anyone has some ideas, by all means, let me know if I need to take this thing off and re-put it on. But I think for the most part, it's looking pretty solid up there. Okay, so here's our Portland snowstorm. This is a regional Honda facility, primarily parts and training in Oregon. And here is Ridgeline. Getting cold at the moment.